So this is video 2, finding properties. So where did the deals actually come from? So most people say there are no rent-to-rent deals. It's so wrong. I'm going to show you exactly how I find rent-to-rent leads every single day. So if you go to Rightmove, type in your area and then press for rent and then put a radius of 40 miles, because you can't just be looking on your doorstep for the perfect rent-to-rent deal. You're looking for perfection. Be a bit more broad. Be willing to drive an hour and a half. So 40 miles. Press minimum 2 beds. Then add a keyword. Put company let. Add another keyword, available now. Press enter. And then if you scroll down, you'll see properties with these keywords on the left. These descriptions contain the words company let and available now. Make sure you're checking the description, because it might even say no company lets. But it won't be long until you find a property within 40 miles of your home which is suitable for company let. They are literally welcoming you to call them and book a viewing. That's how you find rent-to-rent leads. So if you didn't know how to do that, this is where a lot of people just spend hours just scrolling through Rightmove, like not really knowing where they're looking or what they're looking for, and then they ultimately give up thinking this business doesn't work. But if you know the multiple platforms and the multiple filters that you can do, you can literally find deals in minutes, just like I just showed you. Finding deals direct to landlord. So this can be Facebook Marketplace. There's properties advertised all over Facebook Marketplace, but do be a bit aware, because sometimes they can be scammers. So don't be transferring money before you even view the property. But the landlords that are typically advertising themselves want to move fast, so you need to move fast. This is the same on Gumtree as well. So I met this landlord on Gumtree. He advertised a property, but actually it was meant to be his VA's mobile number, but his VA put his mobile number. This guy is a millionaire, like multi-millionaire. Huge net worth. I wasn't meant to be speaking to him, but I did. I made the phone call. I got the viewing booked in. I went to meet him at his office the next morning, and then I secured 2 properties that very day. You have to be willing to step outside your comfort zone, speak to landlords, speak to agents, get these viewings. Just because you're not an expert doesn't mean you can't do it. I literally did. So I got this property, and this property in the matter of weeks from this one landlord. If I can do it, if I can find a landlord straight off of Gumtree and just send a message and get them on the phone, you can too. Another way of getting leads is networking and referrals. So once you work with one landlord, that landlord I just shown you, he introduced his sister. His sister had the properties available. She was a property investor as well, and started passing me opportunities. So landlords talk. One deal often leads into 2. This is Adam, right? This is how he got up to 3 properties quite quickly through one landlord. Working with one landlord, amazing service. They offered him another one, and then another one, and then another one. And before he knew it, he was up to £2,000 cash flow a month in no time at all. He was actually looking to sell deals because he was feeling slightly inundated with properties he was taking on. That's not a bad problem to have, is it? Another way of finding deals is property sources. Davin has recently bought a deal through a deal sourcer, but this property is going to profit him £1,000 a month. So it won't be long. Within a 12-month period, he will see his whole initial investment back, and he's got this property for 3 to 5 years. So yeah, there is a fee to paying a deal sourcer. It's about £3,000, but it can shortcut you to your very first deal. Next is the daily pipeline system, and this is exactly what I teach my mentees, and this is what I want you guys to be doing as well. Spend 10 minutes on Rightmove, exactly what I showed you. Be saving 5 to 10 properties for you to call the next day. Spend 5 minutes a day on Gumtree and Open Rent. Message 2 landlords. Spend 5 minutes following up with yesterday's agents that you spoke to. Your follow-up pipeline is mostly where deals come from. Do not be not doing that. It's vital, and it's only 5 minutes a day. Do that every single day, and within a month you'll have 20 leads to be playing with. So get this, Stuart, he only made 15 phone calls when he started his mentorship. No rent-to-rent experience before this, by the way. He was 15 phone calls in. He viewed 3 properties. No, he met an agent on one of those phone calls within that 15 that just kept passing him properties. Within 15 phone calls, the one property that he secured, and it's incredible, is going to make easily £2,000 profit north, and he only took it on 2-3 weeks ago, and it's pretty much fully booked now up until Christmas, and Christmas is 3 months away. So without a shadow of a doubt, he's already got on his calendar his return on investment booked. So that's going to profit him nicely every single month. So deals exist. You just have to work the system. So if you want to know exactly what to say to agents and landlords, grab my free agent script. The link is in the description. But if you don't want to do that, in the next video, I'm going to walk you through the script so you know exactly what to say. So you can get agents saying yes instead of no.